Have you ever felt tired even after doing nothing all day? Like your life isn't going anywhere, but you don't know why? The truth is, it's not one big mistake that's ruining your life. It's small habits repeated every single day. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize they're doing them. In this video, we're going to explore 7 daily habits that are silently destroying your life, and more importantly, how to change them. If you wake up and instantly grab your phone and start scrolling through social media, messages, or news, you are letting the world control your mind before you even take control of yourself. Your brain is reactive rather than being able to focus. Try this. Wait at least 20 minutes before looking at your phone. Use this time to breathe, stretch, or think about your goals. Start your day with intention, not distraction. Habit number 2. Constantly comparing yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others on social media is slowly killing your confidence. You see all this success, money, and happiness in their lives, but you don't see all that goes on behind closed doors. Comparison leads to stress, envy, and insecurity. Here is a reality check for you. Comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel is unfair to you. Instead, compare yourself to who you were yesterday. That's the only comparison that matters. Habit number 3. Procrastination disguised as waiting for the right time. Do you find yourself saying, "Tomorrow is a better day. I need more time. I'm not ready yet"? Well, let me tell you a secret. You are not planning, you are procrastinating. There is no right time. And you know what? Waiting for that right time is going to make things even more complicated for you. Successful people don't wait for motivation. They take action even when they don't feel like it. Habit number 4, neglecting your physical health. Your body is your foundation, but do you treat it like that? Do you exercise regularly? Do you eat junk food? Do you sleep like a baby? It's not going to kill you right now, but over time it will kill your energy and your focus. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting your body moving every day, drinking more water, and getting enough sleep. It's about making massive changes. Have you ever felt tired even after doing nothing all day? Like your life isn't going anywhere, but you don't know why? The truth is, it's not one big mistake that's ruining your life. It's small habits repeated every single day. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize they're doing them. In this video, we're going to explore 7 daily habits. Have you ever felt tired even after doing nothing all day? Like your life isn't going anywhere, but you don't know why? The truth is, it's not one big mistake that's ruining your life. It's small habits repeated every single day. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize they're doing them. In this video, we're going to explore 7 daily habits that are silently destroying your life. Your life is not built in a single moment of motivation, not in one powerful decision, and not in one lucky opportunity that suddenly changes everything, but rather in the quiet, often unnoticed actions that you repeat every single day, even when you are tired, even when you feel unmotivated, and even when it seems like nothing is changing. Life becomes easier because those moments rarely come, and waiting for them only keeps you stuck in the same place. Even one small habit done consistently has the power to completely shift the direction of your life. Because success is, but what they don't realize is that clarity comes from action. Confidence comes from repetition, and the right time is something you create, not something you find. And the difference between the person you are today and the person you want at moments, when you decide to push forward instead of giving up, when you choose discipline over distraction, and when you take action instead of overthinking, you are slowly rewriting your future without even realizing it. Imagine where you could be 1 year from now if your life. You are simply repeating patterns that no longer serve you, and the moment you decide to break those patterns is the moment your life begins to change. You don't need to be perfect, you don't need to have everything figured out, and you don't need to move fast. You just need to discipline becomes your identity. So make the decision today to take control of your habits, to take responsibility for your future, and to become the person you know you are capable of becoming, even if it feels difficult, even if it feels uncomfortable, and even so start now. Start small, but most importantly, never stop. And if you are ready to truly change your life and build habits that move you forward instead of holding you back, make sure to subscribe to The Habits, because this is where your transformation. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join The Habits, where we build better lives one habit at a time.